Russian medicine.
Try to survive.
Hello, dear friend. Today we're gonna talk about one delicate problem. We will discuss the pain in your butt. Not exactly in your butt, but in your hole. Well, not exactly in your hole. It can come out sometimes. Anyway, I will tell you about such a widespread disease as hemorrhoids.
This video is not intended for kids, pregnant, grey, and pregnant grey. Be careful!
This problem is often hushed up. People don't hurry to inform doctors about it. That's how our society works. When we face a problem, we just ignore it until it starts hurting our butts. It's not so easy to walk up to someone and say, "There is something in my ass and it hurts! It hurts!" People may think that you are grey, and maybe it's true. Or make you show your hairy butt to your mom. You may ask me, who can I blame for this illness? I'll tell ya! The main reason why your ass cry with bloody tears is evolution. What? You don't believe me? Then go and invoke your guts until your anus heal. You can return to this video anytime. Your butthole will be waiting and suffering. So, evolution is the case. Not exactly the evolution, but the ability of upright walking. Other mammals walk on all fours like you every weekend and get hemorrhoids rarely. Thanks to the gravity, every man gets stagnation of blood in the lower part of their bodies, which consist of ass and legs. Let me tell you a legend. Once upon a time, when all the people were mostly like monkeys, there was an ancient hero. One day he decided that peeing when seated is for girls, not for true warrior. He climbed up on the highest mountain, strengthened his back, and showed all the humanity how to pee like a real man. Next day, everyone tried this, but as it usually happens, every great act creates a great problem. It turned out that female humans can't pee straightened. This incident divided humanity forever. The men were filled with the false pride and began to think that all the women started to envy. Women didn't start to envy, but nobody gave a damn. The only one who envied was decrepit hunchbacked witch called Feminanus. Everyone laughed at her. "Oh, she cannot straighten her bed. Look who fell off the broom, unlucky croon." Feminanus cursed humanity with ass disease to restore balance, because nothing humiliates a proud person better than butt hurt. Her last words were next. "If I can pee normally, then you won't be able to poop normally."
What is the moral here?
Moral?
Moral.
I don't care about moral. Draw your own conclusions. The reasons why hemorrhoid strikes you are next.
Too much sitting. Too much standing. Lack of physical activity. Excess physical activity. Bad heredity. Bad hairs. Improper nutrition. Proper buttrition. Smoking. Unexpectedly, but it's not a joke, smoking slowly kills your ass because it sickens the blood.
As you see, you have no chances to avoid hemorrhoids. It can hit you any minute. But why hemorrhoids choose your perfect ass?
It's a punishment for your sins.
If you don't have money, money for real doctor. You seek for natural healing. You can treat your irritating earth disease with the herbs that grow just under your feet. Go to the forest, in the fields, or to the nearest witch and search for next herbs.
Reducing pain, burning and itching, restoration of tissue damaged by the disease, elimination of the inflammatory process, normalization of S function, preventing the spread of infection to healthy tissue, stopping bleeding.
Let your ass to have a bath with one or all of the aforementioned herbs. But remember, water in the bath should not be hot if your anus bleeds. If you don't know how to do this, ask in the comments below and I will definitely help you. And now we will tell you how to properly poke suppository in the ass. Don't thank me. Come here, you little scum. Prepare. If you are straight, then stabbing a chocolate eye with foreign objects can be a bit discomposedly. Don't be afraid. This procedure will not correct your orientation. Take a look at me. I've done this 1,000 times and I'm still neither blue nor gray. Wash your hands. Remember, hygiene comes first. Pathogenic microorganisms, once in your cracked ass, will greatly arrange a Christmas turkey there. Don't give them a chance to prolong your suffering. Get a manicure. Dirt under the nails is no longer a sign of a hard worker. Cut your nails shortly to avoid giving your sphincter extra experience. The same goes for girls. Your delicate butthole can suffer from a Wolverine-style manicure, but there is a compromise option. Wear disposable gloves before inserting the suppository. Don't use your winter gloves, otherwise they will smell. Check it out. If it's hot, the suppository may soften. You should not try to poke it into your mole hole. You will only smear your ass. Hold the suppository in the refrigerator for a couple of minutes. The main thing is not to overdo it. Otherwise, you will freeze the intenses from the inside, which is much worse. Lie down. Turn on the relaxing music. Turn out the light. Feed the cat. Relax. Lie on your left side. Put your right leg to your chest. Fill your chocolate eye with your right hand. Push the suppository through the sphincter with a dexterous, playful movement of your hand. Dear subscriber, what kind of music do you prefer to stick a suppository into your precious ass? Write in the comments below. Enter. To make it easier to drive a suppository into your sacred hole, you can lubricate your port well with the Vaseline oil. Don't confuse Vaseline oil with Vaseline, which supposedly helps you to pass exams successfully. Remember, for the rest of your life, only stupid scum are smeared with Vaseline. Professionals and other massage therapists use Vaseline oil. Know the difference. If it's difficult to do it by your own, you can always ask your sister, mother, or grandpa for help. As a last resort, a casual passerby hanging out from the window. The suppository can be inserted while standing, slightly squatting and bent over. The main thing in this business is to close the curtains tightly. Squeeze! Grit your teeth and clench your butt sphincter for 10 minutes, and if the Black Lord's banging crew is knocking on the door. The suppository should be in the rectum until it's completely dissolved. Remember, A suppository can change a color of your panties. So choose the underwear that matches the color of the medication. Who said that the fashion is not your anus profession?
Russian medicine.